Welcome back to Groomila everyone. Today we will explore Paranjpe Group's project at Thane location. Now you can see we are in a Hiranandani Meadows, which is very renowned and a prominent location in Thane region. So here Paranjpe is coming up with the redevelopment project in a 5 acres. As you can see, this is the approach road for the site. So basically here Paranjpe is coming up with 2 and 3 BHK configurations. It is one of the luxury projects. Now let's have a look at the approach roads to this location. So this is Hiranandani Meadows Circle. From here we have to go inside the Hiranandani Meadows. It takes like 3 to 4 minutes to reach the location. So basically this is a well developed location in this region. So now let's have a look at this particular road. This is the another approach road from the Godbandar road, where you can see metro construction is going on. From here also it takes 3 to 4 minutes. Now let's have a look at it. Now let's have a look at the actual land parcel, which is of 5 to 6 acres, where Paranjpe Group is coming up with 2 towers of 30 story each, where they will have a 2 BHK in the range of 650 to 700 carpet and a 3 BHK in the range of 870 to 950 carpet. This is going to be one of the most luxurious project in a Thane location. Soon we will come up with the launch. So basically you can pre-book it with us, where you can give an expression of interest, which is EOI, where that process will assure you the best price and a best discount. Meanwhile, stay tuned, stay connected with us for the upcoming 2 and 3 BHK sample flat video of the project. Subscribe us so that you get the notification once we upload it. Thank you for being with us. Take care everyone. Bye bye.